lagi sama gua Captain Exwell, bukan lagi. Kali ini kita bakal bermain dengan Real Flight Simulator versi Pro, gabung. Nah, di sini aku gunain Airbus EA340-200. Atau oke, di sini kita bakal ngambil di mana nih, yang paling dekat dulu nih. Oke, atau kita ngambilnya ini. Kita ambil dari Pudong. Oke. Nah, kita ambil bandara Pudong, itu daerah Shanghai Cina sana. Kita jadikan untuk gateway-nya. Di sini kita ambil posisinya itu di gate 106. Oke, konfirmasi. Dan untuk landingnya nanti kita bakal landing di Incheon. Nah, ini kita set untuk landingnya. Dah, nih dia minta kalibrasinya, kita atur dulu. Oke, nah di sini teman-teman bisa lihat banyak nih. Tuh. Wow, kita sendiri di sini nih. Wow, sebelah ada. Oke, sebelum kita mulai, kita aktifkan dulu ground power unitnya. Waduh, sangat suara IC. Oke, kita lapor ke ATC-nya. Sebelumnya kita cek dulu udah penumpangnya udah ada belum. Ntar ketinggalan penumpangnya. Belum, penumpangnya belum ada, sama kargonya belum masuk. Oke, kita panggil dulu. Oke, penumpang sama kargonya udah pada masuk nih. Oke. Nah, ini tampilan dalamnya nih. Airbus Batik. Dia lebih perjelas, kita ada pedal segala macamnya, kontrolnya semuanya di atas juga ada. Oke, sambil menunggu itu kita masukin dulu nih, kita isi full untuk boardingnya. Batik Air ini yang aku gunain ini bisa mencapai batas maksimalnya itu 303 penumpang. Oke, untuk kargonya kita muat 10.000 aja. Wow, udah ada yang pushback itu. Kelewatan pak. Kelewatan. Oke. Oke, kita masuk ke ATC, kita laporin semuanya udah clear. Strobe light kita aktifin, balkon light, navigasi lights-nya, sama no smoking dulu. Buat penumpang nggak boleh merokok dalam pesawat. Kalau mau merokok keluar sono, terbang. Oke, kita lapor ke ATC.
Ground, good day.
Good day, go ahead.
At parking, information, November, read to copy.
You are cleared to Romeo, Kilo, Sierra, India, via Oscar, Delta, Uniform 1-2, Delta, 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start.
Oke.
Cleared to Romeo, Kilo, Sierra, India, via Oscar, Delta, Uniform 1-2, Delta, 4,000 feet. When ready to start.
Redback is correct.
Oke, thank you. Oke, ini udah aktif, semua segala macamnya udah. Kita minta untuk izin pushback.
Ground. Request pushback.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Oke, kita udah dapat izin. Sebelumnya kita tarik dulu nih untuk pax door-nya sama kargo. Oke, APU kita aktifin. Gunanya itu untuk power tambahan. Oke, kita tengok, kita tadi disuruh ke runway RW35R. Oke, sementara posisi kita di gateway 106. Oke, kita minta pushback, udah. Kita pushback, ready, go. Sambil pushback kita minta izin untuk startup mesin ya.
Ground. Request startup.
Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi.
Oke, tunggu mesinnya udah sampai 20%. Kita arahin pushback ini. Oke, thank you. Pushback udah kita lain. Mesin sudah. Oke, kita ngomong dulu ke crew.
Cabin crew. Prepare doors for departure and cross-check.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow or carry on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt, and also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to reseat you. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling or destroying the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited by law. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your chief flight attendant. On behalf of our captain and the entire crew, welcome aboard. At this time, make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position and that your seatbelt is correctly fastened. Also, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. Thank you.
Ground. Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway 35 right.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 35 right.
Oke, minta izin udah ke ATC, kita handbrake-nya kita matikan.
Ground, good day. Good day, go ahead.
Oke,
At parking, information, November, read to copy. You are cleared to Romeo, Charlie, Sierra.
oke, sambil nunggu kita mau holding point, kita minta kapten kru untuk prepare.
Ground, good day.
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
Good day, go ahead. At parking, information, November, read to copy.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew, we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats and emergency lighting will lead you to your closest exit and slide. We ask that you make sure that all carry-on luggage is stowed away safely during the flight. While we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you.
You are cleared.
We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode all personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
Clear to Romeo, Kilo, Sierra. Back is correct. Ground, request pushback. Pushback approved at own discretion. Ground, request pushback. Pushback approved at own discretion. Ground, request startup. Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi. Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi.
Oke, kita melapor dulu ke ATC holding point.
Ground, holding point runway, 35, right.
Contact tower on 118.320.
Roger. Contact tower on 118.320.
Oke, kita disuruh hubungi tower.
Tower, good day. Holding point runway, 35, right, ready for departure.
Wind 295 degrees, 9 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 35 right. Report leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff runway 35 right. Call you back passing 3,000 feet.
Oke, siap landing, siap landing lagi, bego. Siap untuk take off. Oke, Hendrik ready. Sini kita bakal take off di kecepatan 151. Kita sudah take off. Oke, kita lihat mesin. Kita panasin lagi 40. Captain crew ready to take off. Go.
knots. D1. Rotate. Positive gear up.
Wind 335 degrees, 9 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 35 right. Leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff runway 35 right. Hold you back passing 3,000 feet.
Flaps.
Oke, sepertinya cuaca lagi berkabut.
Flaps. Tower, leaving 3,000 feet. Flaps.
Airborne at 50, contact. Radar on 126.650.
Contact. Radar on 126.650. Radar 3,000 feet. Inbound. Delta 347 India.
Radar contact. Waypoint Delta 347 India. Heading 342.
Radar 2,900 feet. Inbound. Delta 347 India.
Radar contact. Waypoint Delta 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign and you may now move around the cabin. However, we always recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened while you're seated.
Radar, good day. 3,600 feet. Inbound. Tango, Oscar, Mike, Alpha, Lima. Request landing information.
Good day. Mike Alpha Kilo Sierra 1 Mike transition. Papa Uniform Lima Uniform November. Continue descent. Be level 10 miles before. Papa Uniform Lima Uniform November. Runway 33 right. Report full established.
Continue descent. Runway 33 right. Wilco. Full establish runway 33 right.
Contact tower on 118.200.
Tower on 118.200. Tower, good day. Full establish runway 33 right.
Good day. Wind 143 degrees 6 knots. Clear to land runway 33 right.
Clear to land runway flat 33 right. runway Bay Tower, good day. Full established runway, 33, right.
Good day. Wind 135 degrees, 5 knots. Clear to land runway 33 right.
Clear to land runway. Tower, runway vacated.
Contact ground on 121.600.
Roger. Ground on 121.600.
Tower, good day. Holding point runway 33.
Ground, runway 33 right, vacated. Request taxi to gate.
Roger. Continue taxi to gate.
Wilco.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have not yet reached the gate. Please remain seated until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign.
Thank you buat semuanya. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, and comment. See you, bye bye.